Hey guys, all right, today I'm going to show you my secrets for setting a beautiful table for those special occasions. All right, so today we're going to be setting the table for Easter, which I absolutely love, but these tips apply to every other special occasion like Thanksgiving or Christmas. Here's a quick list of everything you'll need. So details are everything, and adding details onto your table along with different textures and colors, right down to a printed menu, perhaps some gold flatware. This is from the Cross, so beautiful, or a vintage piece like this milk glass jug are gonna make the difference. And let me tell you, your table's gonna stand out from any other table setting that your guests are gonna see in their house. All right, so I'm gonna show you in a step-by-step process here how to put it all together so you can create the same look at your own house. All right, so I'm gonna start with the placemats and layer up, and I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. I always set my table way in advance, sometimes even the night before. It is so nice to get it out of the way, have your table looking gorgeous so that it's just set perfectly for when your guests arrive. So now we're gonna do our plates and our cutlery. We have 3 courses to this dinner, so we have our main and then our salad and our appetizer, of course, in reverse order. So I'm gonna put my main down first, then my salad plate, and ending with my appetizer plate. All right, the plates are on, the cutlery is set, and now my favorite part, the details. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to put a bit more love into your next dinner party. For more entertaining and meal inspiration, head over to freshnutrition.com.